So lab 2, this time we don't have the adjustable platform there, only the two ends with the legs. So one side and the other side. And then this time we have two sensors that measures the position, and we have two cards. And the important thing about the card is that the card has two different sides. One side is the magnet. As you can see, the other side is one side of the blue card is magnet as well, but the other side there are two stickers that eventually the two cards will stick to each other. And then there is a plunger that is coming out in two levels, and we can adjust it with this pin here. So for the beginning, we start with colliding the two cards from the magnet side of each other. Second movement is to have these two cards to stick to each other. And the third one, we have the explosion that we push down this pin to have this stick coming out and explode the other card. So we start with the magnet side. As you can see, the two magnet sides facing each other. If I put one card here and the second card here with the magnets facing each other, and remember that these two the two ends have to stick with the measurements, the sensors. So once we've done these two sensors on the two ends, we can start the experiment. So one card is fixed and the second card is moved toward the other to have the elastic collision. This is called elastic collision, and when they hit each other, they bounce on each other. So like that. The second experiment is the inelastic collision with the sticker facing each other, and this one is also the stickers. So the first card is fixed and the second card is moving toward the other one, so they stick to each other and continues the movement both together. And the second move is when we have this bouncer with this pin. So we have the two cards next to each other exactly, and then with a pen, with the head of the pen, we can push down the small pin here that makes the sticker comes out, and we have the explosion happens here like that, and then we measure.